Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Girl, you know my true love. It's the type of shit I love to brew. Yo, ex keep calling you. Tell that nigga I got you now. So pull up on the side of town, cause tonight I'm about to pop out. You gon' want another fucking round. I bet not hear you making fucking sounds. Fuck them other niggas, they just tryna get in the way. You fucking with a rich nigga and I get paid. All them jealous hoes, they got shit to say. Them bitches mad cause they not tryna take your place. I'ma hold you down, let me say it again. I'ma hold you down. Them bitches just mad cause they ain't in your place. Girl, you know you fucking with a winner. You gon' ride with my fucking hitters. Yeah, the hoes really mad, they just bitter. If I don't got you on the side, then who gon' ride for me? Yeah, who gon' ride for me? D-Town nigga, I been coming off the way. No other bitches ever tryna take your place. First you sour, then you fucking sweet, and you know how to get in the way. Knowing you a blessing, baby, that's amazing grace. Fuck all the shade they throwing, let's stay in our own lane. You know I'm tryna get used to this shit, and you the only one that can help me take the pain away. That's why I'm gon' make you mine.